hair wig that I'm gonna be installing right now. The hair is so soft and so smooth. I wish you could touch this. It's a running human hair, so it feels just so amazing. This is the inside of the wig. As you can see, there are a bunch of hair clips to secure the wig on your head, and also if it's a little big for you, you can always regulate the size from here. So you can simply remove this clip from here and clip it into a closer notch, and it will make it tighter. Okay, so now let's get into attaching the wig. I know it looks a little crazy, but we're going to fix this. So guys, I cut the lace. This is how my hair looks now, and I can say honestly I'm really obsessed with this color, and it looks so natural on me. I really want to know your thoughts. What do you think? Write in the comments. I'm gonna be styling it, and let's see the final look. So guys, this is the final look I created with this beautiful wig. I can say I'm honestly obsessed with this wig. It looks so natural. Oh my god.